Hey there, welcome to the homestead, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're making Opa's favorite cream puffs. Starting with 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon fine sea salt. Go ahead and add those to a large to medium saucepan and mix those up with a whisk. Gradually add in 3 cups milk, stirring the entire time you add that in. And at this point you can turn on the heat. As you let this combine, we're going to set the range to about just a medium heat on this. Next up, we're going to separate our egg yolks from the whites. You can watch Maddie Matheson do this and try and emulate it. It didn't work out very well for me.
These yolks are softies.
You should probably just listen to your wife when she tells you this is a stupid idea. But anyway, 3 egg yolks separated and in the saucepan. After you proceed to break every entire yolk, you can go wash your hands. Come back and give this a whisk. And you're just going to keep on whisking until this is all combined. Then you'll continue to whisk and continue to whisk. You're going to want to stick around the entire time this happens, probably 5 minutes, until it almost comes to a boil and it'll immediately begin to thicken. This is about the end of the custard, so to finish off, we're going to go 2 tablespoons butter and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Whisk this to combine and then put it in the refrigerator.
I love refrigerators.
All right, now to start on the pastries. So you're going to add a 1/2 cup water and a 1/2 cup whole milk to a saucepan, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter or 1 stick, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Put this over medium heat, stir with a wooden spoon to combine. And once this is up to just a low simmer, you're going to add the entirety of 1 cup all-purpose flour and take this off the heat and give it a good mix to combine. You'll get a nice silky dough pretty quick with this. Aggressively mix for about a minute before transferring into a mixing bowl with a paddle mixer attachment. With that paddle mixer attachment, make sure your toddler is standing close by, as mine was, while you run your mixer at an insanely high speed. But beat that on medium heat for about a minute. This is going to help cool the dough. And then you're going to add in 4 eggs at room temperature. And now you've got your pastry dough. So from here, you're going to put it in a piping bag. If you have them, if you don't, use a Ziploc. If you have a 1/2 inch piping tip, go ahead and use it. And if you get little tails on the ends of your dobs, that's all right. Just wet your finger and you can push those down. Run these at an oven that's been preheated at 425 for 10 minutes. After that, you're going to, without opening the oven, reduce the temperature down to 325. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes. You're gonna look at the bottoms to make sure you didn't burn the shit out of them. Hopefully they look nice and pretty like these. Transfer to a wire rack to cool. You're gonna want 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and you're gonna want to run your stand mixer with a whisk on medium, high to high until you get stiff peaks. Once you get that consistency, you'll just gradually fold that into your custard. This will lighten up your custard. It won't be quite as heavy, and this is what makes it a Bavarian cream filling. So at this point, you're gonna fill your Creampuffs. They should be cooled now. Some piping kits have like a longer, almost syringe like this. You can use a Ziploc, you can use a piping bag. These little guys work pretty good. All right, well that's gonna do it for the recipe today. I hope you get the chance to try and make these sometime, and I hope they turn out well for you. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see some more of this type of content. I hope to put some more cooking content out here in the near future. So anyway, we'll catch you on the other side. Thank you. Bye.